Husqvarna TC250 fuel injection. Gonna take this one for a test ride and see what I think. Now, there is a disclaimer in this. He has already changed the forks. I'm real particular about suspension. If it doesn't feel quite right, I'm probably not gonna be able to push it. But at least I want to feel what the new fuel injection motor feels like. So let's take it for a ride and see.
No, 250 fuel injection. Oh. At least I think it's a 250. Yeah. It says 250 on it? Does it say 250?
I don't see it anywhere.
I'll ask him when I get back.
Gotta be a 250. Got the pipe coming out.
Alright, the test ride is done. It's interesting. I was not able to ride it fast because the forks just rebounded up way too quick for me. I wasn't really comfortable jumping this one, but I really wasn't out to jump it. I was really out to review the motor. As you might know, the KTMs and the TCs, the Husqvarnas, have gone to fuel injection for, there's a throttle body right there for 2023. They have an injector down here. That's your throttle position sensor. I'm not sure, but I think that this is a vacuum sensor. It goes into the back of the cylinder there. And then they have electronic power valve. I would say the power is interesting. It makes good power, but if you're looking for that two-stroke type snap, you're probably going to favor maybe a excuse me, got hiccups. Yeah, the best way to describe the power is it feels a little more two-stroke-ish. Like if you're looking for the snap of a 125, this, you know, when you first fire it up, it almost, and you go to roll in the throttle, it almost feels like a like the type of two-stroke on a scooter, where it's like a non-high performance two-stroke. That's how it feels initially, but once you give it some real throttle, it pulls into power real quick and good, and has a good torque and good top end pull. I noticed that there's no flat spots as it pulls from the bottom to the top, and it revs out good and strong. Overall power for me feels about like the 2006 to the 2006 to the 2010 YZ250 American model with the 5 UP head. It feels about the same, which that bike on the dyno back then they were saying they made about 47 horsepower. I'm sure this one probably makes more in the dyno. I haven't looked at it, but it doesn't quite make, it makes a little more power than the bone stock new YZ250 with the lower compression head. It makes a little more power than that, but it doesn't make as much power as my YZ250 that I have the modified head on it and you know, some other mods to it. So, but it makes good power, and it's easy to control power. It starts early, it revs high, no flat spots. It feels good on the track. Again, it's a little softer responding, so if you're looking for that two-stroke type response, that real hard hit, you're not going to get that. But if you're looking, if you're coming from a 4-stroke and you've never ridden a 2-stroke before, this might be okay for you. So that's really all I got for you on this one today, and appreciate you guys watching this.